on the monthly chart of PayPal, it's getting very juicy as price continues to move down closer to that monthly bias level at $52. And I think a double within the next 5 years is a no-brainer. Let's get into some of the fundamentals before we look at the charts further. Can PayPal stock double in 5 years? Here's what it would take. So the past couple of years has been anything but rewarding for PayPal. Although the stock soared during the pandemic, the deceleration of the contagion more than undermined these gains. PayPal shares are now down more than 80%, below their mid-2021 peak, reaching new multi-year lows this month. It's too soon to throw in the towel. There's a good chance the stock will be rekindled, perhaps doubling its current value over the course of the coming 5 years. And I would say just look to what they're doing in blockchain as a main catalyst. So as of the end of the quarter, ending in June, the company boasted 431 million active accounts versus only 429 million a year earlier, and 403 million as of the second quarter of 2021 when the pandemic was at its peak. Transaction expenses are up just as much as revenue this year so far. PayPal's venture into the buy now, pay later loan business is leading to cash burning with write-downs, and result, free cash flow turned outright negative during the second quarter of this year, accelerating a couple of quarters worth of declines. And I think they'll see further negative impact, adverse effects, because potentially we're still going into recession, and we see delinquencies in car loans, home mortgages, and credit cards going up. So in my opinion, this was not a good time to go into this business, but maybe they are planning for the future. All right, so here's where we get into the blockchain. Now, in my opinion, PayPal is a proxy for Bitcoin, meaning it's going to follow the price of Bitcoin as well. A couple of years ago, they ventured into allowing their customers to buy and sell a couple of cryptos on PayPal, which I think was a great opportunity to get into the crypto space. And now recently, they have issued their version of a stablecoin. So PayPal stablecoin is fully backed by US dollar deposits, US treasuries, and similar cash equivalents. In PayPal, USD can be bought or sold through PayPal at a rate of $1 per PayPal USD. In other words, it's a digital version of the US dollar with the security that only blockchain can provide. As such, it's far more likely to be accepted as an alternative form of payment since it's linked to the specific government issued currency at a fixed exchange rate. All right, so as of the most recent look, the consensus price target stands at $85. That's up 47% from the current value of PayPal stock. Most of the analysts also rate PayPal stock a resounding buy, almost in defiance of the recent downtrend. So when the fundamentals line up with the technicals, it becomes a very powerful risk to reward situation. So just kind of looking at that monthly buy level, you had a rally in price, one basic candle and a rally out, right? And price has not returned to that level as of yet. We're roughly $5 away. So let me just draw a line. Well, I do have this rectangle here at, say, $45. So I would say anywhere between $50 and $45 is going to be an opportunity to potentially start legging in or scaling in. For investors and traders that need confirmation, look for a reversal pattern on a smaller time frame. Let's go straight to we'll go to the weekly chart first. So because we broke this pivot low, I would anticipate price continuing to move lower potentially. On the daily chart, you can see that price is in a, we'll call it a short term down channel. So again, this is that pivot low that we saw on the weekly chart, and I would anticipate until the RSI starts moving above 50, I would anticipate price moving down, which is not bad because you want to get in lower. I do anticipate buyers stepping in around that $50 level, which coincides with the monthly buy level at $52. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.